Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. Find the specified terms using binomial theorem. When we have binomial expansion, sometimes we need to find, it's not find all the terms, but we need to find the specified terms. For example, find the eighth term of x squared plus y over 2 to the 10 exponent. This is the binomial 10 to 10 exponent. They're looking for the eighth terms. So we need to use pattern, and then we can use Pascal triangle to give us some help. So let's say, first of all, we need to know 10 exponents, there are 11 terms. This is the 1, right? So we first know, okay, there are 11 terms. So total 11 terms, and the first term x squared, this is the a, and this is the b, and this is the n, right? So in expansion, say a plus b to the n exponent, the binomial expansion, we have total 11 terms. Now the a is x squared. B in this question is y over 2, n equals 10. So the eighth terms is what is the exponent for x, but we don't worry about what exponent x finally. We need to find what is the exponent for a. So total 11 terms. Let's see the binomial theorem formula here. In this case, you can see n minus 1, a is descending form. If this go to 8 terms, that means total 11 terms. 11 minus 8, because a is descending, start from 10 exponent to 0 exponent, which is 11 terms. Now 8 term, which is 11 minus 8, equals 3 exponents. That's a is 3 exponent now. The coefficient here, because every time we write one term, it has 3 components. The first component is coefficient. The second is a to the cube. A is a cube. Then the b should be 7, because 3 plus 7 equals 10. That is pattern. N minus 2, this is 2. So add together equal n. Anyone n minus 4, b is 4, add together is n. So this is the 3 plus 7 is 10. So that's why we can write the eighth terms must be bracket. We write the 3 bracket, which is 3 component, the eighth term here. This is a to the cube. A is x squared to the cube. Put the cube here. B is 7 exponent, with b is y over 2. 7 exponent here, 7 exponent. So actually we can see finally x is 6 exponent and y is 7 exponent. Y is 7 exponent. And 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 to the 7, this number will contribute to the final coefficient. Now, the first step we already figure out x is 6, y is 7. But now the second step, we need to find what is coefficient here. If you have Pascal triangle with you, let's see. This is Pascal triangle. When n equals 10, the coefficient here, the eighth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 120. So 120. see, is 120 here. And then this 120 times 1 over 2 to the 7 exponent, and we can write into, actually is 2 to the 7, we can calculate this and say 120 ABC over 2 to the 7 exponent, 2 to the 7 exponent. They will simplify for us. Got the 15 over 16. 15 over 16, x to the 6, y to the 7. So that's why I say when you're using calculate using fraction button, the advantage is you can simplify for you. You just enter 120 ABC 2 to the 7 exponent, right? Because 1 over 2 7 exponent equals 1 over 2 over 7, because 1 to the 7 still 1. So actually you just put the 7 exponent to the denominator, and then you just enter into 120 ABC 2 to the 7 exponent. They will give you 15 over 16, which is already simplified. Right? Here, see? So the eighth term of this expansion is 15 over 16 x to the 6 y to the 7. This is presented by Wise Guys. Thank you.